In the box, we have the Gluco III or the Gluco III Plus. User notice. Unit labels. We have 2 millimole and 2 milligram. Spatula. An alcohol pad. How to install the unit labels. Decide what unit you want to use. The duplicates are just spare if you need to use another unit. Let's use the millimole for this one. This spatula, you'll only need this if you screw up. First, remove the tab. Some people leave it on before applying the units. Please don't skip this part. Then, in the label, notice this. You can see 4 dots. Those are guides. Peel the backing of the label. And then, see the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try your best to align the dots on the corners. Then, press firmly. Place it well. Peel it carefully. And there you go. Now, if you want to remove the unit label and replace it, use this. Gently scrape off the label. You see there are some excess glue from the previous label. Just use the alcohol pad in the box. Hopefully it's not dry. If it is, just use a 70% alcohol. Spray a bit on top and wipe off the glue residue. With isopropyl alcohol, the glue comes off very easily. Wipe it off with a clean tissue or towel to make sure no glue residue is left. It's now clean. There's no more glue residue. Take the second unit. Peel off the backing. Make sure to align the dots as we did previously. Press firmly on the label. You don't need to press everything. The other areas are not that important. Then when you peel it gently. And if you notice lifting on the label, just press it again firmly until it sticks. And there you go, you just installed another label. You're now ready for your simulation.